On today's episode of Did It Work, we're going to be trying the Mohawk. It's a fill stick. It's like a white wood putty stick. And this color is white S8 Alpine. No, this is not a sponsored review. I'm just a regular person who buys products from Amazon to try to solve regular household products. If you end up liking this video, subscribe before you leave. All right, so we're going to go try this on. I have a big gouge in the front of my desk. This is what it looks like. Basically looks and feels like a giant crayon. So anyways, let's go try it out. Okay, so this is y'all can see that giant gouge that I have. You're gonna get a piece of furniture. I had everything put together. I thought this was gonna end up being the back and it ended up being the front. So anyways, I mean, as you can see, it's a pretty deep gouge. So just kind of see what we think. Feels like coloring. But I mean, I don't want to have to like paint, sand, blah, blah, blah. Okay. And it says overfill it, and then if you need to, just take like a scraper or whatever and level it off. And then I read like how professional contractors use it, and they said never rub it in with your finger because that can cause it to have like a shiny finish. To do it with a cloth. And they said if wherever you're using it, it dries and it has too much of a shine, you can just kind of like knock it down with like by sanding it or whatever. Okay. Hello? Do y'all see that that's gone? I don't have a scraper that I can find right now, so it's like a metal stencil. I bet you could even use like the back of an old credit card. You're just kind of knock off the excess without damaging your... Look at that. And then again, it says like if you need to just use a cloth to kind of... This is just a tissue, obviously. You can't see that anymore. Okay, then you can see I have like a little ding right here on my door. Y'all, I'm gonna be running all over my house this weekend. I'm just filling holes in. Holy crap, did you see that? Let's try it here too. This is just like a little nick on the side of one of my bookcases. I know I just told you not to rub it with your finger, but do as I say, not as I do. Disappeared. All right, let's do one more. And then obviously if it works on this, which is wood, it's going to work on your baseboards. But my baseboards are not quite this white. So we're just going to show it on here. Gone. This is wild. And they sell this in multiple different colors, by the way.